Spofec, a division of Novitec, has unveiled the all-new Overdose S body kit for the Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge, the more powerful version of the luxury SUV. It follows the German tuning firm's previous take on the top-spec Cullinan, including the Widebody treatment and healthy tinkering under the hood. The Overdose S body kit amplifies the Cullinan Black Badge's already imposing presence. The revised front adds LED elements, highlighting the revamped lower bumper that's connected to the widened fender flares and side skirts. The body kits continue at the back with an integrated, redesigned diffuser and new quad exhaust tips. There's also a lip spoiler on the tailgate, visually working in tandem with the roof spoiler. This new kit significantly enhances the SUV's stance, widening the Cullinan Black Badge's dimensions by 3.9 inches at the front and 4.7 inches at the rear. Complementing this augmentation are new 24-inch Vossen-designed SP3 wheels wrapped in two 95/30R24 tires, nestled nicely within the expanded fenders through Spofec-branded aluminum wheel spacers. The SP3 wheels were the same on the Spofec-tuned Phantom, available in various finishes. The company also added an air suspension system that can lower the SUV by nearly 1.6 inches without compromising the vehicle's performance. Rolls-Royce already offers a plethora of customization options for the Cullinan's cabin, but Spofec customers still have the option to reupholster the cabin with various premium materials, available in an extensive range of colors. Spofec isn't just about aesthetic enhancements. The company also tuned the luxury SUV further via a plug-and-play N-tronic auxiliary control unit. The 6.7-liter twin-turbo V12 now makes 697 horsepower and 781 lb-ft of torque, up from 592 horsepower and 664 lb-ft in the standard Cullinan Black Badge. Despite its near 6,000 pound heft, this Spofec-tuned Cullinan can sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds while retaining its electronically limited top speed at 155 miles per hour. Customers can also opt for the exhaust system with or without an electronically controlled flap regulator, giving them control over the uptuned engine's exhaust note. As with the previous Overdose kit for the Cullinan Black Badge, pricing isn't disclosed, though we believe well-heeled clients don't ask for these things when having their near $400K SUV customized.